What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go into detail about how we properly deep clean glass on vehicles, both inside and out. So whether you're a professional auto detailer, a weekend warrior, or just the average person who wants a cleaner windshield on their car, this video should help you guys out. I was scrolling through YouTube trying to find other videos on this subject, and the truth is that there just really wasn't that many out there. The main reason being that I'm going to assume is that they're just very difficult to film. It's hard to film videos on glass. For example, this is a 32-year-old BMW E30. I'm sure the glass has never really been properly cleaned in those years, and in video form, it doesn't really look that bad, when in reality, I'm looking at tons of water spots, bug grime, regular grime. Inside, it has that kind of hazy fog where you can tell someone's been smoking inside the vehicle. There's water spotting. Pretty much everything you can find in glasswork is in front of us here. So I'm going to show you the process that I typically use in our detailing business to remove these basic glass imperfections. Whether you're a professional auto detailer or just starting out, I can guarantee that the glass on a vehicle is one of your least favorite things to do. It doesn't matter how good you are at paint correction, how good you are at interior detailing. It's just one of those things that's super hard for everyone. Reason being that it is a transparent surface. You can fully detail the inside, walk away, see a streak, go back and get it, and then realize it was on the outside. Do the same process over and over again until you get all those streaks. But with today's process, we're gonna eliminate all those steps. One step to get a perfect windshield inside and out with super household products. We're gonna be using some detailing specific products, but you can substitute these for things like Windex and other household products that you probably already have under your sink, whether you're a detailer or not. So let's get right into that. The first thing we're gonna need is a glass cleaner, and here we have Geon Glass, but you can use things as simple as Windex from under your sink. I've also seen people use APC. We're not actually gonna be relying on the glass cleaner itself to do the cleaning, so it's more so just for lubrication, but to keep it simple, let's say everyone use a glass cleaner. The second thing is a towel. So here I have the Rag Company glass towel. This is the perfect towel to wipe up after we're done agitating with the next tool that I'm gonna be showing you. I'm sure most of you guys know what this is. It's a household magic eraser. You use this for cleaning a number of things inside your home. Now, a lot of detailers are promoting using this on various surfaces on the vehicle. I've seen leather, I've seen vinyl, I've seen paintwork, bumpers, wheels, pretty much anything, and I just wanna officially say that you'll never catch us making a video on any of that stuff. The only surface I genuinely believe this thing belongs on the vehicle is the glass, and that is because it is so hard that this grit of this magic eraser isn't gonna be able to scratch it without applying multiple hundreds of pounds of pressure. So for glass, it's safe. For anything else, for me, in my opinion, it's a big no. The process for actually cleaning the glass with the tools I just showed you is even simpler than the tools themselves. So the first thing we're gonna do, pop up the windshield wipers, just so they don't get in the way. You're gonna wanna take your glass cleaner, spray it directly onto the glass, and then take your magic eraser. You're gonna wanna wring it out so there's no dripping water, or a couple drips in this case, but so it's not soaking wet, it's just damp so that it'll slide across the surface. Otherwise, it'll just get stuck and you could potentially dig in. But once it's wringing out, you can take it and go up and down on the windshield, typically as you would with a microfiber towel, but in this case, we're gonna be using the magic eraser. Once I go up and down all the way across this half, I like to go horizontally as well. I'm applying minimal pressure. I'm kind of just letting the magic eraser do all the work. And once I've done a couple passes, I'll take my clean microfiber glass towel and mop up the glass cleaner and see what I'm left with. Here's a little 50-50 of the before. So there's tons of hazing, water spots, there's some bug guts, tons of grime. Basically anything on a windshield is over here. And then this is the side we did. It's crystal clear. I went ahead and did the interior windshield as well, just so there wasn't any grime on the inside showing through, making it look super bad, but it looks awesome. And it's really cool that you can do this on the side windows, the windshield, the back window, the sunroof, literally any glass surface on the vehicle this is gonna work for. The only caution I have, the one thing you need to avoid, is window tints. If there's tint on the inside of your side windows or a banner on your windshield or the whole windshield, you want to avoid this entirely. You can do the outside of that glass, just don't do the inside where the actual tint is, because this process will mess it up. So just avoid it entirely, save yourself the hassle. So what I'll do now is finish the other half of the exterior of the windshield, and then we're gonna move inside and I'm gonna show you how this exact same process works on both the inside as well as the outside of your vehicle. This is truly going to be one of the only processes where the inside is the exact same as the outside. So we're going to spray it with our glass cleaner, agitate with our magic eraser, and then mop it up with our glass towel. And just like that, guys, we have really awesome results on glasswork with really simple tools. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this is all stuff that we can all utilize, and it's super easy to do. 3 steps and your glass is essentially perfect every single time. If you guys want to check out any of the products used in this video, they will be linked in the description below. I left links to some cheaper options to magic erasers because if you are going through them quite frequently on interior or exterior windows, you can pick them up for a lot cheaper than the name brand magic erasers. If you guys liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.